Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here. This hair is very frizzy. I'll show you how I took it from this right here to this which you see here. If you want to see how you can make your frizzy wig less frizzy, make it smooth and glossy again, please keep on watching this video. Let's get right into the process. The first thing I'm going to do is to get my relaxer, and I'm using my olive oil relaxer. This one right here is for very fine hair. That is, if your hair is very soft, you want to ensure that you're using a relaxer that would not over process it. So you can see this one is for fine to medium hair textures. So I poured in the mixture of the the relaxer and the activator. I use my hands to just squeeze out the entire product into that bowl right there. Next, what I'm going to do is to get my hand brush and mix the products together. What I have in that bowl right there is hot water. So I'm going to mix the activator and the relaxer cream together. And when I'm pleased with how well it has been mixed, what I'm going to do is to pour the hot water into the mixture and mix it well to ensure that it has a smooth to creamy consistency. So just wait and watch me mix the entire thing together. After about 5 to 10 minutes of mixing it, this is the consistency that I have. It's a bit creamy now. So this is the hair I'm trying to work on. So I'm going to first detangle the hair by brushing the hair from the tip of the hair all the way to the top of the hair. After I've brushed through the hair to get it completely detangled, what I'm going to do next is to dip it into that mixture. So I added more of that hot water to the mixture, and I used my hand to just stir it in to ensure that the mixture is well mixed. The reason why I added hot water to this mixture is just to ensure that I don't over process the hair in the process. This hair is already blonde. It's already fine. I don't want a situation whereby I use a large amount of relaxer and the hair just starts to break apart. I don't want hair that is breaking, because if it's breaking when it's wet, it's going to even break a lot more when I'm trying to style it and all. So I just use that hot water to just water down the relaxer. And what I'm doing now is just use my hand to spread the product all over, and also use the brush to just help me ensure that the product goes all around the entire hair. So now I have the product all over the hair. I'm just checking the strands now to ensure that it's not breaking off, and it's not. So what I want to do next is to work on the closure area. So I have this medium brown hair dye. I want to dye the closure area so it looks a bit more brown. When my client brought it, it was beginning to look very faded, and you don't get like brown skin people having their roots that light shade of brown. So I put a small quantity of that brown hair color, which is like a permanent hair dye, and I'm also going to add a very small quantity of my Castle Developer in 12 volume. Just a small quantity would do, because the closure is a 2x6 closure. If you're working with like a 4x4 closure or a frontal, you might need more products. So just increase the quantity of the products that you're using. Let's say if it's a frontal, you probably need like times 10 the size of the products that I'm using. You might just need to empty the entire container into your bowl, and then add your developer and apply the mixture of the products all over the closure area carefully. So you notice that I'm very detailed about the area that I'm putting a mixture of the color and developer on. It's only on the top part of the closure area, about 1 inch distance from where the closure started from, and I'm using the brush part of that tool that I'm using to spread it evenly, just to ensure that there's uniformity on how the color comes out on both sides of the wig. So be very generous with the products. Don't try to just apply it on the visible up parts. Try to brush it in and ensure that it goes inwards and the color is extended all the way to the inner parts of the strands of the hair. So while I'm applying the mixture, I can already see that the hair is beginning to take the color, and I'm pleased with how the hair is taking in the color. So I let the hair sit there for a while. You can see now the color as the hair has taken the color well, and the relaxer has also made the hair look a bit more glossy. So and I'm checking to ensure that the hair is not breaking, and obviously it's not breaking. What I'm going to do now is start to rinse off all these products from the hair. You can do this process for when your hair is very frizzy. Let's say a situation whereby you've treated your hair and it still comes back looking very, very frizzy and very annoying. Just do this relaxer treatment, or rather the perm treatment on your hair, just to ensure that it comes back smoother and more easy to manage. So I'm just taking my time to rinse off the product because it needs to be well rinsed. Then next I'm going to use that freeze control shampoo to wash the hair. I just keep on dipping the hair into the mixture of the shampoo just to get the hair to be very clean. I add more of that shampoo, then I spread it all over the wig from the top part all the way to the tip of the hair. I'm also going to ensure that I try as much as possible to wash the inside of the wig caps. Even if it's not shown on the video, please wash the inside of your wig cap. You don't want to have product stuck on the wig cap. So wash the strands of the hair, that's the hair on the wig, and also wash the inside of the wig cap. Then when you're done washing the entire thing, you can rinse off the wig a couple of times until you are pleased with how clean the water is. And then we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be conditioning the hair. But for now, I'm going to keep on rinsing the hair. And yeah, it's time to condition the hair. So I'm going to apply my olive conditioner on this hair. It's going to make the hair silky and well nourished. So a generous amount will do. Then I'm also going to apply this keratin treatment. It's a keratin milk treatment. It's going to help the hair become more smooth and silky. Then I'm going to also apply this keratin aloe vera 1 minute treatment for locked color hair, because of course I colored the roots of the closure area. So I'm going to mix both of all this, the conditioner, the two treatments together, and just apply it generously all over the entire hair. Next, what I'm going to also add to the hair is our castor oil, because you're trying to strengthen the strands of the hair. We just did like a perm treatment, so you want to ensure that the strands of the hair gets that oil, that elasticity that it needs from the castor oil. So I'm going to put about a cover and or two covers of that castor oil all over the hair, just to ensure that the hair gets as much of the oil that it needs to help strengthen the strands and just make it as healthy as it should be. So I use my hand to massage the product all over the entire hair. Next, what I want to do next is to just let the product sit there for a couple of minutes. And after it had stayed there for about 30 minutes, I proceeded to heat the hair up in my microwave for about 3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, 30 seconds has elapsed, I took out the hair from the microwave, and it's time to rinse off the products are still left in the wig out. So I'm going to take the wig out now. You can see the heat that's going to be coming out. Yeah, it's a bit hot, but not steaming hot, but it's kind of hot. So what I'm doing now is just to rinse out the wig to ensure that none of the conditioner and keratin treatment is still stuck on it. At least it has taken all the moisture that it needs, and then it's just time to rinse out the left off what the hair doesn't need. Just rinse it out so the hair, it doesn't, if you don't rinse out your conditioner from your hair, it's going to make your hair too stiff and it's going to look like it's greasy. So please always rinse out your hair very well. You can rinse your hair like 5, 6, 7, 10 times just to ensure that it's completely well rinsed. So after you rinse it, pour out the water, get fresh water, rinse it again. You can see now the hair looks like it's very clean. So I just kept on dipping it into that bowl of water. You can change the water a couple of times, but just try as much as possible to ensure that the hair is well rinsed. So I tried to comb the hair, but then I realized that this hair is very fragile in this state. So I decided not to comb through it. I just decided to just rinse it a couple of times over and over again, and then I air dried the hair. Then after air drying the hair, this is what it looks like. It looks like Mufasa, like it's very big right now, but it's not a problem. We're going to start with applying this dry, like it's a moisture hairspray to help restore the hair from being dry to like normal. So I sprayed it generously all over the hair from the front all the way to the back. And next, I'm going to apply my Moroccan Argan Growth Oil Serum to the hair from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. Take note, this is just like the first general application. We are still going to go back in and apply it in the small sections that we're going to work with. So I'm using my blow dryer now to just brush through. I'm using my hairbrush to brush through the hair and use my hand dryer to just walk through the hair to just take out all the unnecessary fluffiness that's it's on the wig, just to get the hair to be more silk and more manageable. So I'm brushing through the hair using my hand dryer to walk through it, and then I went back in with that Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to just reapply it all over the hair, just to ensure that the hair gets the moisture that it needs. We did a treatment that is very drying, so of course we're going to need to apply a lot of moisturizing to the hair. Then I'm just spraying my heat protectant spray all over the hair now, and then after spraying the heat protectant spray all over the hair, what I'm going to do next is just to go back to start styling the hair in small sections. So I cut out the up part of the hair, and I'm going to clip away the up part of the hair from one side. Just clean out the area very well, and then clip it away. And then after clipping that one side of the hair away, after I've combed through it well, I'm going to reach towards the other side that I haven't clipped away, and then cut out the top part of the hair, and also twist it and clip that part right here away to allow me start working on the bottom part of this wig. Take note, all I have to do right now is just to comb through the hair very well, moisturize it. If it feels like the down part of the hair is still a bit dry, comb through it, moisturize it, spray my heat protector and spray on the hair. And then what I have to do next is to start straightening the hair, and I'm going to use my Cloud9 hair straightener. If your hair is not 100% human hair, please reduce the heat. Even if your hair is 100% human hair, reduce the heat, because this hair has already been through so much. So put the heat at, let's say, 200 degrees Celsius. Don't put it at 240 or 250 or 230. Put it at 200 degrees Celsius. And start working through straightening the hair from one side of the hair all the way to the other side of the hair. Be very patient with this process, because your hair has been through a lot already. You don't want to just go in there and put so much heat on the hair. So take it gently, be very careful with the hair. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos from our channel. This is going to be like the first, this is the first video I'm actually filming for 2025. Other videos that I uploaded earlier on my channel, I'd filmed those videos like later in 2024. So this is actually like the first video I'm uploading for 2025, and I don't know if I'm going to still upload videos, but if I'm going to upload videos on YouTube, it's going to be talking videos. I'm going to film a tutorial on how to start your hair business in 2025, and also break down my 2 books on YouTube. So if you want to get more exclusive content from me, you have to join our Telegram community. The Telegram community has not been officially open, but it will be soon. I'm still working on the content just to ensure that you get all that you need while you're trying to start your hair business, or even as somebody who just doesn't want to have to deal with hair vendors. You probably buy your hairs directly from your supplier. You just want to learn how to make your wigs, how to color your hair. You want to get answers to certain questions that you have. You need to join our Telegram community, because this community is going to be like a mentorship group. It's going to be like a support system that you need on your everyday struggles with your hair business, or just managing your own hairs. If you want me to be able to respond to questions that you have, it's going to be on Telegram. I'm literally not going to be very present on YouTube. I'll probably just post videos. I might not respond to comments, because 2025 is going to be a very busy year for me. There are lots of changes going on, which I probably wouldn't share right now until I'm probably like in the middle of it and all of that. So get in our Telegram community if you want to get responses from me. If you want to get that guide, if you want that mentorship from me, you need to get into our Telegram community. It's not expensive. I think it's going to be just 40,000 naira for each person, and you get access to a lot of content on how to style your wigs, how to color hair. Actually, there are no videos on how to style your wigs. They are more like coloring tutorials, how to make your frontal wig yourself, how to make your closure wig, vendors for certain things like adjustable straps, the clips are the adjustable straps, your hairstyling tools, hair vendors you can buy from in Nigeria, in the Lagos market. I might give you a vendor from either China or Vietnam. I might give you one vendor. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to decide on that. But in this community, you're going to get everything that you need, all the support that you need to succeed in your hair business. You're going to get it here. Yes, so it's just going to be at the small token of 40,000 naira, which is around I think, is it like $20 or so. It's just $20 to join this community. So guys, this is what the hair looks like right now. What I'm trying to do is to style the closure area. You can see how the color of the closure came out from, compared to how it was before, like a very light brown, but now it's more like a chocolatey dark brown. So I'm combing through the hair now. What I want to do next is just to apply my American Argan Oil Serum generally on the top part of the hair and extend it all the way to the tip. And what I'm going to do next is to ensure that the hair is well placed before I start trimming the ends, because I want to ensure that the ends of the hair is even. When the ends of the hair is even, it's going to look a lot more a lot more put together. But first, I'm going to apply my hair wax to the top part of the closure area, spray my heat protectant spray there, and then use my hot comb to flatten the hair around the closure area. Just going to do this quickly. After flattening the hair around the closure area, that's when I'll start using my hair clipper to trim the bottom part of the hair. And take note, in our Telegram community, I'm going to also teach you how to avoid getting scammed if you're trying to buy hair from, let's say, Alibaba. You know, if you need support, just join our Telegram community. You would get it from me on Telegram. Yes, I'm using a clipper now to just trim the ends of the hair. Watching this video and you like it, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly join the family. Click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you do not miss future uploads from our YouTube channel. And also join our Telegram community, shop our ebooks, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test its quality. This book answers a lot of questions that you have concerning like the hair business, the hair industry. And if there are questions the book doesn't answer for you, you can get into our Telegram community and these questions are going to be answered for you. So this is what the hair looks like. You can see that the hair looks glossy now. It's smooth, it's sleek. This tutorial is your guide on how you can make your frizzy wig look very sleek. Taking it from that hot mess to this beauty which you see right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely catch you in my next video. So do well to subscribe, join our Telegram community, and of course buy my ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. Bye love.